Hey, credit heroes! When was the last time you had an amazing experience with a business? One that made you want to tell all your friends about it? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to create that same feeling for your credit repair clients. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
Okay, this is the 200th episode of my podcast. I am very proud of that. Over 1 million people have heard it and watched it, and many have used the information in it to grow amazing businesses. And I hope that it's helped and inspired you too. That's why I do this. Okay, let's get into this. In the 20 years since releasing my first credit repair software, I have helped thousands of businesses build from the ground up. And during that time, I experienced the very same challenges that many of you face. And I've learned proven ways to overcome them and succeed. One of the most common mistakes that I see new businesses make is focusing too much on signing up new clients and neglecting the clients they already have. I've made this mistake, and I lost a whole bunch of clients because of it. When I first launched Credit Repair Cloud, I was so happy when I made a sale, and I was so excited about growing my business that I never stopped to think about how many clients that I could handle. I just wanted more and more. Now, when you're living off top ramen, the idea of too many clients is kind of ridiculous. But that's exactly what happened. Suddenly, I was working around the clock, putting out fire after fire. I was Phil on sales, I was Tammy on support, and I was doing my best, but it was all a disaster. All my clients hated me, and they had every right to. By the time I was able to help someone, it was always too late, and then they wanted to cancel or get a refund, and I was back to eating top ramen. And that's when I realized the power of customer service. And that's why today I'm going to share my secrets to keeping your credit repair clients happy so your business can thrive. Here's how this relates to us. For those of you who are new to the credit repair business, it can be really tempting to focus all your energy on signing up new clients. After all, you need clients to grow. But don't let that distract you from giving the best possible service to the clients you already have. This is crucial for 3 reasons. First, your current clients are your best source of referrals. So if you provide amazing service, they're more likely to recommend you to their friends and family, which is essential for small businesses to grow. Second, focusing on customer service helps you perfect your systems and processes while your client base is still small. And this allows you to work out any kinks before scaling up your business and ensures that quality remains high as your business grows. Third, all it takes is a few early negative reviews to damage your reputation and shut you down before you really even get off the ground. Here's the thing to remember. When you're just starting, you want to keep the 80-20 rule in mind when organizing your time and resources. That means spending at least 80% of your effort on current clients that you already have and no more than 20% on lead generation or sales. Now, this might sound backwards and may go against your instincts, but your current clients are your greatest assets. It's been proven that it's cheaper to keep your existing clients than finding new ones, and current clients spend more than new ones, so be patient, keep them happy, and they will reward you. Here's why this is important. No matter the size of your business, delivering 5-star customer service is the key to long-term success and growth. When you go above and beyond for your clients, they will reward you with loyalty and referrals. They become your sales team. They organically attract new business better than any ad or any promotional trick ever could, making all the time and resources that you spend on them worthwhile. I put together a list of the best practices that I've used and our most successful credit heroes have used to deliver service that hooks your clients for life. Be honest, thorough, and over-deliver. Building trust is critical with credit repair clients. The more you prove yourself and follow through, the more clients will believe in you. So be upfront, set clear expectations about what you can deliver and realistic timelines for achieving their goals. If your honesty scares a few leads away, don't worry about it. Let other businesses overpromise and get the bad reviews when they can't deliver. It's better to underpromise and overdeliver. Next, connect with clients when they are happiest. One of our most successful credit heroes, Amber Jones, used the philosophy of positivity to build amazing client relationships. This means that every time you increase someone's credit score, get a deletion, or score a win, small or large, make sure that your clients know about it. Send them a quick update and remind them that they're on the path to achieving their goals. It might not sound like a big deal, but it makes a huge difference to your clients. When they see new notifications from you, they're going to associate you with good news and good results. If you have no choice but to give some unhappy news about a setback, do your best to sandwich the bad between two pieces of good. You can say something like, "Hey Daniel, more progress to report. Equifax raised your score by 25 points. TransUnion is dragging their feet, but they'll catch up. But we also got Experian to raise your score by 20 points. The point is, stay positive. Communicate good news whenever possible, and your clients will love you. Take ownership and do the right thing. Ask for candid feedback regularly. Learn what you do well and what you need to improve. When a client points out a problem or you make a mistake, own it. Apologize sincerely and do the right thing. Solve the problem quickly and completely, and never leave anything unresolved. Thank your clients for their feedback even when it's harsh, and show your appreciation. Offer special perks and loyalty rewards to clients who bring issues to your attention. This proves to your clients that you are committed to their satisfaction, and that builds even more trust. Set up automations, even very basic ones. You can automate countless repetitive tasks that will help you provide better customer service. You can use ActiveCampaign and other tools to schedule consultations, create invoices, provide updates, and even send birthday emails. Automations make it easier for clients to contact you, and they make you appear available whenever they need you. And this helps keep clients happy, informed, and engaged throughout their credit repair process. The bottom line is, you need to treat your clients with respect and put systems in place to ensure that they get the attention that they need. When you earn their trust, they'll stick with you for life, and they will rave about you nonstop. If you want to learn more ways to market and grow your credit repair business and 6 months of Credit Repair Cloud software for free, go to creditrepaircloud.com/free training and sign up for our masterclass. Here's my final point. Your current clients are your greatest assets. They've already shown trust in your business, and it's your job to nurture that trust and provide them with the best service possible. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn more ways to save time and grow your business, check out my episode, Top Credit Repair Software Automations. And if you'd like to get certified in disputing and gain confidence and grow your very own credit repair business, check out our Credit Hero Challenge. Doors are closing soon, so sign up right now at creditherochallenge.com and keep changing lives.